Ninjas, welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about 2 simple things you absolutely must do to increase your organic traffic to your store. Literally, if all you have is 10 minutes, then you guys must do this and you'll be definitely generating sales. Some of our students that we work with use this exact method to generate literally $30,000 every single month just from organic sales alone. So guys, regardless if you are new to SEO, if you are new to organic traffic, or if you feel like you've tried many things before and they just haven't worked, stick till the end because we are going to show you a few amazing techniques. Hey guys, my name is Silvia. I am a co-founder of the Traffic Ninjas. Now, if you're new to us and if you're new to these channels, we talk all things highly converting traffic to your Shopify store and how to generate actually a real income from your store. And we specifically explore the little known hidden ways specifically designed for small businesses with not enough resources. So guys, do join us on our path as we discover these little new ways and show you how to do that. Make sure you support the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. We do put lots of care and lots of TLC into each of our videos, making sure that we give you the best method that actually works. Now guys, very often I get asked like, hey Sylvia, I don't have much time. Like, how can I get some organic sales? How can I get some free traffic to my store and turn it into sales? So literally, there is just 2 simple things, okay? So first of all, you need to find the keywords that your ideal customer, your avatar is actually searching for. And second, you just need to update your website. That's all there is. You just need to update your store, right? So we will go through these 2 simple things. How do you actually find the right keywords that your ideal customer, or what we call your customer avatar, is searching for? And then simply, how do you update your store, right? And guys, I want you to stay until the end because we also have an amazing power tip on how to actually not get overwhelmed. Make sure that if you literally just have 10-15 minutes at a time, you can actually achieve some amazing results and get that organic traffic and free sales. Now, let's hear from the other co-founder of the Traffic Ninjas. Let's hear from Kristen.
Now it's about how do we optimize your products, your collections for those important keywords that your avatar are actually searching for. Because most people, most of your leads, most of your prospects, most of your customers are not going to be searching for your store name. Most of them will have never heard of your store before. So we want to find some keywords or search phrases that they're using to actually find the products that you've got. What we've got here is we want to find those search phrases that your avatar actually uses. Now here's an important tip. Really try to avoid using really broad specific search terms. For example, candles, right? Because it's so broad, it's going to be really hard to optimize for that, and it's very, very competitive. There's lots of stores selling candles. So when we're really broad like that, it's going to be hard to get really great results. So we want to focus instead on what we call a long tail search phrase. It's a much more specific search phrase. And the example we talked about was a soy luxury candle. So it's still a candle, it's just more specific. Another example is rugs. That's really broad, really competitive, really hard to optimize for. But if we said we're going to be selling washable wool rugs, or optimize our product page or collection page for washable wool rugs, it's going to be a lot easier to optimize and it's going to get better results. We're going to get more clicks, more visits to our site, and more people coming down our funnel, getting more sales. Final example here is that a lot of you out there are selling activewear. Activewear, again, super competitive. It's hard to optimize for that, hard to get great results for that broad keyword. But if you're selling a specific type of activewear for a specific type of avatar, and one example is those scrunch booty, I think they're called sometimes, activewear, those pants, that's a really specific thing that people are searching for. So if that's what you're selling, you want to be optimizing your page title and meta description saying that's the stuff that you're selling. It's going to help you get much better results much more quickly. So the short version of all of this is we want long tail specific search phrases. We don't want to be optimizing for broad terms. And once you've found what those specific long search terms are, when you've got an idea of what they are, and we'll talk about that later, how to actually go and do some spying and see what other people are doing and how you can get some inspiration for that. But when you already have an idea because you know the products that you're selling. When you go and do this exercise, we're going to go and do some Googling in just a moment. You want to make sure that you skip over the ads. So when I searched here for fitness coach, you notice that the first thing that popped up was an ad, and it's obvious because it says the word ad. So we want to skip all the ads and go down to the first, what we call organic search result. That means it's the first result that's not an ad, the first result that's actually linked to the keyword that I just searched for. So just be mindful when you're doing this exercise to skip over those ads. We're going to talk about how to actually update your title and meta description inside your Shopify store. So I've logged into my test Shopify store here, and all you need to do is go down here into online store and preferences. And this is where we're actually going to update the home page, page title and meta description. You're just going to pop it in there. So you've already done some research now on what it should say. What are the key ingredients that you should have in there? So you can pop that in there, and the meta description you're going to pop into this box here. And then you can just scroll all the way to the bottom and press update or save. So that's what we do for the homepage. Then next, there's going to be a product page or a collection page that you need to update as well. So you're going to do that under products, and we'll just pick a product that we want to optimize. Remember, don't get overwhelmed thinking that you have to update all of these right away. We're just going to pick one or two to get started, and then we can go through them systematically and find the ones that are going to have the biggest impact. We're looking for that domino, remember, that one or two products that I update that will make a difference. So let me pick this one here, just as an example. I'll click on this products, and the trick is to scroll all the way to the bottom and find here the search engine listing preview. And you see there's a button here, edit website SEO. So you just click on that. And this is my chance to update how the page will appear in Google search results. And here's where I can update the description, the meta description of what appears in Google search results. So it doesn't really matter what I have written in my product description. I mean, it's still important, but here's your chance to do a shorter version that's optimized for SEO. And you can also update, if you want to, the URL to make it shorter and neater and prettier. So there's not like a super long one like this. You could optimize that to make it shorter and more concise. So that's where we do the product. And then for the collection page, it's very similar. We find the collection page that we want to actually update. So let me pick one here, like this one here. And it's the very same process. We scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says search engine listing preview, again, same process. We press the button, we update the title and the meta description, and if we want, the URL. So that's it, really simple. So you know what to change. Now it's a matter of going in and doing it. So it's time for you to take action, for you to post it, tag it, share it. What have you done? What have you learned from this SEO module? What action have you taken, and what results is that driving for you? Let us know. Your turn, take action, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.